I'm just going to give you a walk round video of our Fiat 500 Cabriolet. As you can see, red roof, electric fold back, 1.2 pop, previously sold by us, full service history and a really nice, clean, genuine car. It's got the Italian stripes, as you see. If you don't like those, we'll take them off for you, but I think it looks quite good. Looking down the side of the car, there's no dings and chips and scratches. It's all really nice. I'll carefully go across the front for you. Can't see any stone chips at all on the front. We've just got one little chip on the windscreen. It's only minor. There's a little stone chip there on the screen. Nice interior, being red with the white leather tops. Mileage today is 39,000. Steering wheel, electric mirrors, electric windows and remote locking. 2 keys, all its books, HPI report. Just been MOT tested last week. Ready to go. Really nice, genuine little car. Full description on our website, justnicecars.co.uk. Any questions you have, give us a ring at any time. £30 a year road tax, this one, and very economical. Thanks for watching.